this tutorial, we will show you how to make it with 5 desirable methods. Keep up with our pace, and you'll choose the one that suits your needs and preferences. Way 1. How to convert HEIC to JPG on Google Drive using Save Image as feature. Open Photos app, select HEIC images, share Google Drive upload, ensure iPhone is online for syncing. On computer, sign into Google Drive. Find HEIC, open in full resolution, right-click, save image as to JPG, save. Way 2. How to change HEIC to JPG on Google Drive via HEIC to JPG converter. The Mobikin HEIC to JPG converter is a versatile software designed not only for converting HEIC files to JPG, but also to N and JPEG formats. Particular steps for converting HEIC to JPG in Google Drive with HEIC to JPG converter. Visit Google Drive, log in, select HEIC photo, right-click, choose Download to save to computer, install HEIC to JPG converter, run it, click Add HEIC or drag and drop HEIC images onto the interface. Choose the specific HEIC photo you want to convert. Select the desired output format JPG, JPEG, or N, and decide whether to keep or remove the EXIF data. Set the output path for the converted file. After that, click the Convert button to initiate the conversion from HEIC to JPG JPEG-N. After the conversion is complete, you can click Show in Folder to view your newly converted photos. Step 6. Return to the Google Drive website, click the New button, and select File Upload. Proceed to upload your JPG file to your drive storage. Way 3. How to convert HEIC to JPG in Google Drive via Google Photos. Sign into Google Drive, upload HEIC, select image, open with Google Photos. In Google Photos, click Export JPG. Confirm by clicking Export. Right-click converted file in Google Drive. Select Download to save it. Way 4. How to download HEIC as JPG from Google Drive by email. Open Google Drive on your iPhone. Download photos to iPhone. Send them as email attachments to your own email. Access the email. Download the JPG photos. Upload them to Google Drive if necessary. Way 5. How to convert HEIC to JPG on Google Drive using online tool. Open free online HEIC converter in your web browser. Click plus add HEIC or HEIC file S to upload HEIC images. Converter auto converts to JPG. Click Download to save JPG files.